Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will read simple sentences with CVC words. We will focus on reading words with a short vowel sounds. These are the sounds a, e, I, o, and We will also master the sight words. This is, that is, and my. Read the words after me. This is, that is, my. Great job! Before we read, remember that we use this is when something or someone is right here with you. Example: this is an apple. This is a rose. We use that is when something or someone is at a distance. Example: that is a tree. That is a bird. Now let's use this is and that is in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's read. Repeat after me. This is my mom. Now it's your turn to read. Say the words as you see the red dot. This is my mom. Say the words after me. This is my dad. Now it's your turn. This is my dad. Repeat what I say. This is my sis. Now it's your turn to read the words. This is my sis. Repeat what I say. This is my son. Now it's your turn to read. This is my son. Read the words after me. This is my job. Read the sentence on your own. This is my job. Read the words after me. This is my bib. Now it's your turn to read. This is my bib. Copy what I say. This is my leg. Now it's your turn. This is my leg. Repeat after me. That is my pot. Now it's your turn to read. That is my pot. That is my pot. Say the words after me. That is my pug. Now it's your turn. That is my pug. Repeat what I say. That is my cap. Now it's your turn. That is my cap. Repeat what I say. That is my bag. Now read the sentence on your own. That is my bag. Read the words after me. That is my bed. Now it's your turn to read. That is my bed. Read the words after me. That is my gum. Now it's your turn. That is my gum. Repeat after me. That is my keg. Now it's your turn to read. That is my keg. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe.